friends, welcome to English Funda Kolkata. I am Ramit sir. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Now I am going to discuss an emerging idioms of spring. এখন তোমাদের সঙ্গে আলোচনা করছি একটা সুন্দর idioms spring নিয়ে বসন্ত নিয়ে idioms. I have already discussed many times what is idioms. Idioms is a group of words that totally differs another meaning. Okay, so here are three idioms we are going to discuss today. No spring chicken means not yet, not young anymore. To spring clean means thoroughly clean the house, full of the joy of spring. Okay, let us come with the example. First of all, no spring chicken. Sorry, I am no spring chicken now. That is, sorry, I am not young anymore. Okay? To spring clean, thorough clean the house. During COVID-19, we should spring clean our apartment. Full of the joy of spring, very happy. After watching the exciting match between India and Australia, when India won, I was full of the joy of spring. Okay, so these are the fantastic idioms of spring, which is very, very interesting to you, and it will help you for your development of vocabulary as well as spoken English power. I think this should help you a lot. So if you like this video, please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel English Funda Kolkata. Till then, goodbye. Thank you everyone.